Hey guys, welcome back to How to Maximize. So in today's video we're going to learn how to forward text messages to another contact. So for that I will be opening my messaging app and I will be opening this message. So I will be forwarding this message to an contact. So for that I will be holding this message and tap on this more, and at the right bottom there is a share button which means forward. Tap on it and write down the contact detail or the contact name you want to forward to. So I'll be writing down the contact number. Tap on this arrow. Voila, that's it. Now your SMS has been sent. So go back and you can see that I have received this message. In short, I have sent to myself only. So that's it for today guys. So if you like this video, leave like, comment, share and subscribe for more.